10 benefits of data visualization for small businesses. Welcome to our video today on the 10 benefits of data visualization for small businesses. In this video, we will explore the advantages of data visualization and provide a step-by-step plan to implement each benefit in your industry. Benefit 1. Improved decision-making. Data visualization allows you to analyze complex information and make more informed decisions. By visualizing your data, you can identify trends, patterns, and outliers that may not be apparent in raw data alone. Step-by-step plan. Identify the fundamental questions or challenges you want to address. Then gather relevant data and create visualizations that help you understand the insights hidden within. Benefit 2. Enhanced communication. Visualizing data makes it easier to communicate information effectively. Instead of presenting dry numbers or long reports, you can use visuals to give compelling stories and engage your audience. Step-by-step plan. Determine what message you want to convey and select appropriate visualizations that support your narrative. Use graphs, charts, or infographics to present your findings. Benefit 3. Identifying opportunities. Data visualization helps you identify opportunities for growth and improvement. You can spot areas where adjustments are needed by visualizing your business metrics, such as sales, customer behavior, or market trends. Step-by-step plan. Identify the key performance indicators, KPIs, relevant to your business goals. Create visualizations that track these KPIs over time and compare them against benchmarks or targets. Benefit 4. Detecting patterns and trends. Visualizing data lets you detect patterns and trends that may impact your business. By visually representing data, you can easily observe changes or relationships between variables over time. Step-by-step plan. 1. Collect relevant historical data. 2. Use line graphs or heat maps to display trends or correlations. 3. Analyze the visualizations to gain insights and identify potential causes. Benefit 5. Improved data accuracy. Data visualization can help identify discrepancies and errors in your data. By visualizing data, you can easily spot outliers or inconsistencies that may affect the accuracy of your analysis. Step-by-step plan. Clean and organize your data before creating visualizations. Use charts or scatter plots to visualize data points and quickly identify anomalies. Benefit 6. Better forecasting. Visualizing historical data allows you to make more accurate predictions for the future. You can forecast sales, demand, or market conditions more confidently by analyzing trends and patterns. Step-by-step plan. Gather historical data related to your forecasting goals. Create visualizations that highlight trends and use them as a basis for making informed predictions. Benefit 7. Increased efficiency. Data visualization streamlines decision-making processes and improves overall business efficiency. Instead of spending hours analyzing spreadsheets, you can quickly understand complex information through visuals. Step-by-step plan. Identify repetitive tasks that involve data analysis. Develop dashboards or interactive visualizations that provide real-time insights, reducing time spent on manual research. Benefit 8. Enhanced collaboration. Visualizing data promotes collaboration among team members and stakeholders. By using engaging visuals, everyone can better understand the same information and contribute to discussions effectively. Step-by-step plan. Share interactive dashboards or presentation slides with relevant stakeholders. Encourage discussions around the visualizations during meetings or collaborative sessions. Benefit 9. Effective goal tracking. Data visualization helps track progress toward your business goals by providing clear metrics. Visual representations of crucial metrics allow you to measure performance in real time and take corrective actions if needed. Step-by-step plan. Define measurable objectives related to your business goals. Create visualizations that display these metrics and regularly update them to track progress. Benefit 10. Competitive advantage. The data visualization gives your small business a competitive edge by enabling data-driven decision-making. By leveraging the power of visualizations, you can stay ahead of competitors and make more informed strategic choices. Step-by-step plan. Stay updated with the latest data visualization tools or software. Continuously explore new ways to visualize data that align with your business needs. Conclusion. And there you have it, 10 benefits of data visualization for small businesses. By implementing these steps, you can harness the power of data visualization to drive growth, improve decision-making, and gain a competitive advantage in your industry. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful.